shelter. There was nothing left to hide beneath. Every scar carved on my journey became the script of who I became. I let the noise pass by in silence. Names drifted like smoke in the wind. No hands reached to hold me back, so I moved without permission. I never paused to ask for mercy. Old shadows broke and scattered, and each collapsed beneath my feet, built a steadier ground to stand on. This isn't hope or a prayer. I never walked for applause. The only reason I survive is because I refuse to When the world paused in hesitation, I kept breathing, one step more. The quiet defiance alone redrew the path entirely. Not a prophecy, not a